Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So today's video I'm using oatmeal as a hair mask. Research shows that oatmeal helps to moisturize the hair. It helps for hair growth. It helps to keep your hair being soft and the rest. I'm not going to be putting the benefits on the screen. So guys, after this we'll move to boiling hot water. My hot water is already been boiled. Then I will put my oats inside. I'm using one half or half 1 cup of oatmeal. Okay, so I'll use that for this recipe. I think I used two of those, the cup of that oatmeal here. I used 2. Then I'm just going to give this a stir. Okay, after stirring it, you know the way you cook your oats, all right, so you just stir it occasionally so that it does not get burned. All right, so after you stir and stir and stir, when it's ready, okay, for eating, you don't need to make it thick. It has to be watery so that you can extract the juice. Then you sieve it. Right now my oats is ready, so I'm going to sieve this. All right, I'm sieving it to extract the juice from the oat itself. So I need the juice. They call it juice, they call it gel, oat gel. Yeah, so I'm just going to extract it. Then I will sieve this twice so that we don't have any chaff on our hair. All right, so please. So guys, this is what we have. I've extracted the oat gel. All right, so I'm going to be adding coconut oil inside. You can use any oil of your choice that is nice for your hair. So I just finished washing my hair right now, and we're going to be applying this all over my hair. Okay, so this is my first time doing this, guys, so I was so amazed that this actually said what I saw on Google, because I googled it. It softened my hair. It's made my hair like every little thing I saw on Google, it actually happened to my hair. Okay, so I'm going to be adding this as one of my regimen for my wash day routine. I will be switching it up with other hair masks I do on my natural hair. Okay, so I'm just going to be applying this all over my hair, and I also did this oatmeal on baby girl's hair, and her coils was so amazing. Like it also gave me coils as well. Okay, so this is really good for even if your hair is even if you're not a is it 4C? Yeah, even if you're not a 4C hair, even if you're a 4B, 4A, I don't know, the any texture of hair, this is gonna make your hair look so beautiful. So I'm just going to be detangling my hair with my detangle brush. This brush is a lifesaver, so I'm just going to detangle it, and I will allow this to sit for a while on my hair. So please keep on watching. So guys, if you have watched this extent and you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn up the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, and also please like this video. It helps YouTube to promote my video to all their audience, and comment and share if you can. So I'm just going to be combing my hair and detangling as I go, so please keep on watching. So guys, I'm going to be using this plastic bag and to cover my hair. Then I'll allow this to set for 30 minutes. If you can put this up to an hour. Then you
So guys, I just also did this on Madam's hair. I need to sit and wash it together. Yes, you're doing wash mother and daughter hair day wash day hair, whatever. Yeah.
Oatmeal is also good for the skin, so I'm just rubbing the ones that fell down on my neck, on my face, and on my body. Yeah, so everything don't go to waste, nothing goes to waste, guys. So I'm just rubbing it all over my body. So yeah. So guys, this is Madam's hair after we have finished our wash day. Like, the coils are just coily. Yeah, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new. Turn up the notification bell so that you're notified whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. So I will catch you all in my next.
So that I'll see you up in my next one. See as I dey glow. I dey glow. Hey. Alright, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.